ROI Corporation is a business brokerage firm. We have about 8-9 brokers. We have a location in New Hampshire, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Georgia. So we operate in the East Coast. 7 to 8 brokers in the company. Everybody has their own specialty. What we do is we help clients buy, sell, value their business. Helping in terms of business transition takes a little bit longer than just this one season of spring cleaning. You got to be able to prepare for your financials. You got to be able to prepare your paperwork and business for the sale. Sometimes it's kind of too late when you're starting to think, I need to spring clean now so I can sell. It's might be a little bit too late. Some things you need to think about is, of course, financials. Financials have to be clean. The bookkeeping has to be done properly. Your taxes have to be filed. There's just simple things that have to be done that sometimes we see all kinds of things just not really prepared well enough for the transition. And of course, different steps of life, I always suggest prepare 2 years in advance at least, because it does take a long time to transition. Our sales cycles are incredibly long. The cycles usually within 10, 11, 12-year cycles, booms and busts usually. Right now, banks are lending. It's really not easy, but it's doable to do a loan with the SBA loan with a 10 to 15% down payment, which is unheard of ever before. And banks are really lending the money, so it's a really good economy as well. So if you're a seller now, if you're thinking of selling, it's gonna take a little bit of time to get things going and prepare. So you better start now before the cycle goes down again. So if you miss the opportunity, then you're gonna have to wait another 5-6 years before you're actually able to achieve the valuations that are happening now. We have a step system where we first prepare the business for sale. So we look at the financials. Then we prepare what's called the CBM, a business memorandum. So we get all the financials together. Then we market the company, and our idea is to be able to bring multiple offers to the table that will elevate the sales price of the business. So there's a lot of different ways of getting things done. Of course, negotiating the purchase and sales asset purchase agreement is a key. Key employee agreements is also a part of it as well. And of course, the closing, which is the most exciting part of any transition. The first step is really to do a proper evaluation of the company. If you don't know where you are, you really can't understand where you're going. If you're thinking of maybe potential sale within the next 2-3 years, it's a really good idea to understand where you are currently located.